If you bite into a super hot jawbreaker, you might think it would just crack a little and burn your mouth. But jawbreakers are made of layers of sugar, and as the
If you skip this video, know that you are rejecting Jesus and listening to the devil. I am Jesus, and I am knocking on the door of your heart. My child, why do you keep ignoring my voice? I call you again and again, yet you turn away and choose the world instead. Do not shut the door on me today. Comment, Jesus, come into my heart, and share this message so others can hear my call too.